So that moved actually very well. We got a lot of good movement. You probably felt a little bit of tension, relief with that. We're going to drop a little bit lower, and I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and then exhale all the way out. Good. I'm going to do that one more time for you. Deep breath in and let it out. Good. Look on your side and face me this way. Yep.
Oh man, I'm relaxed already.
So I'm going to have you bend this knee.
Okay.
Good.
License casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win.
Just like that, perfect. And you already like moved right when I set you up. All right, I'm gonna have you flip. See, just even getting her set up in that position, she's already moving that easily.
That's hilarious.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, she moved very easily with that. All right, I'm gonna have you lay flat on your back for me. Okay. So I know you felt that ankle release.
That felt good.
Okay, we're gonna do this ankle now. Okay. Come on up. Yep. So I'm gonna have you lean back onto me and then bring your elbows together. Oh yeah. There we go. So that, yeah, I know you felt it. Good. Okay.
So then.
So now that we have everything lined up, what we're gonna do. Okay.
Oh yeah. That's crazy how much you can hear it when it's like done.
Just gonna do just a gentle adjustment inside here. Right, you're gonna hear a couple pops. So Maddie hasn't been adjusted that often, only a few times, maybe once, maybe twice in the past. All right, so we're just gonna start really simple. All right, because we don't want to scare her off the table. All right, so you can come a little closer. All right, and adjust right inside that lower back area first. So breathe in really deep, and breathe, and just relax between your shoulders. Relax. Beautiful. Good. Good. Excellent. Just going to stretch you out a little bit. Just like that. So this causes any pain. No?
Oh.
Good. Good. Just go right to the other side. Just stretch out the lower back a bit. No problem?
No.
Good. Ooh, that was deep. Let's try it one more time on this side. Stretch over. I'm going to let your hips just drop for a second. We're already popped inside there. So breathe in really deep. All the way out. And just relax. A little more. Excellent. Let's go right on the other side. Face over there. Okay, just going to stretch out a little bit. A little bit more. Good. And which is the side you got surgery on?
The other side.
The other side?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Breathe in really deep. All the way out. And relax more. Good. Good. Relax your neck a little bit. Good. That muscle right in there. Good. Come a little closer, Days, please. Good. Just relax right there. Perfect. Perfect. Relax right inside there. Let that muscle relax. Good. There we go. Excellent. And that one.